So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zhafran. So, my student matrix number is 202422034. So, currently, I'm going to present to you about my CSC 264 individual project, which is app creation using MIT App Inventor. So, I'm creating studies companions app, which is the name is Campus Companion. It is a mobile application developed to help university students organize and manage their daily academic activities in one convenient platform. Many students struggle to balance classes, assignments, attendance, and also academic performance. Due to using multiple applications or relying on manual methods, Companion aims to solve this problem by providing an all-in-one student management application. So I'm going to present to you right now about my Campus Companion apps. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So right now I'm going to show you about my apps, which is the Campus Companion apps. So when you open the app, the first thing you will see after splash screen, you will be directed to the login page. So if user doesn't have any account registered, they must register an account first. So you can press the register button here and we will be directed to the registration account page. So I'll try to enter an information of new user, so we can see that what will the interaction happen between the website and the user, the apps and the user. So we enter the name first, which is Zhafran, and then the student ID, then the email, and then the password. So if the password doesn't match, let's say I didn't put any password here, and I press the create account, it will display please fill in all fields. Same goes for any other text box here. Okay. Alright, so when I create account, it will be pointing to the registration successful. So now we can successfully register a new ID. Oh, sorry. 202 3 and the password we entered just now. So let's say I entered different wrong password, it will display incorrect password. Same goes if it's in a blank field, it will display all fields are not are required to be filled. So I'm going to enter 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the dashboard or the home page of Campus Companion apps. So here we have a pointer card here and the date card, and also there's a code here. So you're going to be randomized codes with different user entered. So there's nothing much actually on our dashboard, because our main function is not on the dashboard but on the navigation bar, which have the first one, the home buttons. The second one, we have also the timetable buttons, and the plus one is equals to the drop down button, which is more functions going to guide to, which is GPA calculator or attendance. And also we have assignments button where we will to assignment page, and also we have our user profile page. Okay, so we'll be going on to the first one. Okay, so this is our timetable of Campus Companion page. So here we got our subject text box, day spinner, start time and the end time, also the classroom. So this timetable, the purpose the timetable is created is to manage students' time within class, or even their free time they want to manage with other things, they can also include here in the timetable. So right now I'm going to try and enter. So before I entered, here are the previous I've filled the class with info. So like say you're going to display like this, the class, the subjects, the day, the starting and the the periods, and also the classrooms. So I'm going to try add also the new one. This I'm going to add STA 116, and it's going to be a class on Thursday. Starting time is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the classroom, let's say I'm going to put AV2. So next class. So now in the STA class I've inserted going to be on the your classes page. I'm going to prompt here lah. So if you want to delete, you can also delete. Just press the selected class information and delete the information. So now it will no longer be in the your classes page. So moving on to the assignments. So this is the assignment. It's almost as the same as the timetable page. So I'm going to delete this one first. Okay, so here are the assignment title. This is the assignment titles. You can use it to okay, so this is the assignment page. So this is the assignment page. It's almost identical as the timetable, the functions. So this is used to keep in check the assignments that are still pending. It doesn't matter whether it's assignment or it's a project, a group project, or even individual project. So let's say I'm going to put the assignment title. Let's say I'm going to choose individual projects for the subject of CSC 264, and choose the due dates within 17, 18s. Let's say I choose 18s, and then the priority is high and the status is still pending. So when I press the assignment, so it will be displayed here. So the individual as like this your assignments, individual projects, the categories, and then the subjects, the dates, and also the priority, and also the status. So if you want to delete, they can also delete it. They can stack it with even a lot, doesn't matter, as I have limited quantities. So this is the user profile page. So in this user profile page, they only display the details and only the logout buttons. It doesn't have any many features because campus companion currently is not using making user able to interact with other users, so there will be no need for user to have editings and their own profile pictures. So we stick with this user profile management system only. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the more buttons. So here on the more buttons, we got the GP calculator or the attendance. So I'm going to try to press GP calculator first. So here in GP calculator, as you can see, here are the previous data I've inputted. So here the GP calculator are used for for students to calculate their current semester's GPA lah. So here I'm going to try to enter. So before that, I'm going to clear out this one just to make you see how the display is going to be. So let's say I'm going to put CSC 264 with grade level 4 and the grade of, let's say I put A minus. And when I add subjects, here going to be displayed right here. So the calculate GPA button currently are using the previous current subjects. So if I press this again, we go to update it to the latest one. So the total credit hours, which is 4, which is correct, and the GPA is 3.7, which only take directly because there's no other subject. So let's say I put another subjects. Let's say I put STA 116 with a credit level of 3, and the grade I put a bit lower for you to see the difference. So I put B. So when I add subject, it will be displayed on the correct subject, and press calculate GPA. Here will be gonna be updated to the new one. So the current GPA is 3.38 and total credit hours equals 7, which is the summation of CSC 264 and STA 116 credits hour. So here the display. So even if I delete it and I calculate again, it will be calculated accordingly. So moving on to the attendance page. So from this page, we can see we can put it's going to calculate the attendance of every subject that I inputted, like this one. Let's say I put cyber and also STA. So one present and one absent. So it will be calculated as total classes of 2, just the summation, and the present will be going to the selected according to the index, the third index, and the attendance will be calculated as per total of subjects. Okay, so let's say I put another subjects. So I'm going to put subjects. Let's say I'm going to put CS 305, and then the class type is a lab class and I absent for the day. So when I add the class, so this is going to be to my current statistics. So the total class is 3, which is correct, and the present is 1, and the absent is 2, and the attendance is 33.33333%. So this is the statistics that will be performed on this page. So as you know, your ATM are currently doesn't allowing or forbid a student who are 80% and above of attendance to go into the final hall. So this is going to help your ATM students especially lah to be careful of their current attendance. Okay, so now back to the user profile. I'm going to test out the logout buttons. So it is workable. So you're going to go back to the login page. So that's all is for the Campus Companion functionalities. So the purpose of Campus Companion, I can say that it is to help students ease up their student life and making them less stressful and can plan out their times without any rushings decisions. So I hope that student can perform much more powerful in the near future. So that's all for the presentation. Thank you, madam, for the hearing, and thank you for the viewers for hearing this, watching this YouTube. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.